Hey guys, welcome back to Sis Math Club. Today's topic is how to solve equations with fractions. So, an equation consists of variables, constants, and operators. Today we're going to be learning how to solve equations that have fractions in them. So, first of all, let's get a problem that we have to solve. An equation. So we have 1/3 parentheses x plus 5 parentheses plus 3 is equal to 7/6. Now, to solve this equation that consists of fractions, step number 1 in the note says to solve any part that needs to be solved using distributive property. So, as I'm looking at the equation, 1/3 parentheses x plus 5 has to be solved using distributive property. So, when we multiply 1/3 by x, so 1/3 multiplied by x gives us 1/3 x. Or we can write this as x over 3. Now when we multiply 1/3 by 5, we get positive 5/3. And then we copy down the rest of the terms. So plus 3 is equal to 7/6. Step number 2 says to take the LCM of the denominators of the fractions and multiply it by the whole equation. So the fractions are x over 3, 5/3, and 7/6. Now 3 and 3 are the same thing. So 3, we have to find the LCM of 3 and 6. The LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So we multiply the whole equation by 6. So 6 parentheses x. Wait a second. So 6 parentheses x over 3 plus 5/3 plus 3 is equal to 7/6 parentheses. Actually, we can do the whole equation, or we can just multiply x over 3 plus 5/3 plus 3 by 6, and then multiply 7/6 by 6 separately. So when we multiply 6 by x over 3, we get 6x over 3. When we multiply 6 by 5/3, we get 30/3. When we multiply 6 by 3, we get 18. And when we multiply 7/6 by 6, we're gonna cross out the 6 and the 6, and we're left with 7. Okay, so now we're gonna simplify this. So 6x over 3 gives us 2x, plus 30/3 gives us 10, plus 18 is equal to 7. Now, step number 3 in our notes tells us to add or subtract any like terms or constants. We don't have any like terms to add or subtract, so but we do have constants, which are positive 10 and positive 18. Now, when we add positive 10 and positive 18, we get positive 28 is equal to 7. Now, our final step, which is step number 4, tells us to use inverse operation to solve for the variable if needed. Yes, we do need to solve for the variable, which is x, because first of all, we're multiplying x by 2, and then we're adding it by 28 to get to 7. So we need to isolate the variable all by itself. Okay, to do that, first we have to get rid of the constant, which is 28. Since we're adding 28, we're going to subtract 28 on both sides. So when we subtract, when we do positive 28 with negative 28, it cancels out. So we're left with 2x is equal to negative 28 and positive 7 give us negative 21. So now we have to divide by 2 on both sides since we're multiplying x by 2. And when we do that, we're going to get x is equal to negative 21/2. So this is the simplified form, or the solution for x. So we solve for the x. That's what we're always doing. We're solving for the variable. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.